All right, so today I received the most overpacked package. Thank you guys at S&G Plus. So out with the old, that have the same wiring. I just found that out, different wiring loom, and that's not going to work. So I drilled out the back of this one so that the piece would fit. They're the same shape. However, the one corner has a little bulky thing right here, so I had to drill it out right on this side. It fits in here perfectly now. We can get this back on the car and be good to go. All right, so after beating this thing back into place a bit, we now have 3 of the screws fully accessible coming through. Trunk is still a little wonky and off center, so we're gonna take care of that next. But at least we have both the points in place now. Get it to line up correctly, but other than that, then take care of that little knob right there. Fix that up.